you can build the biggest, strongest wall in the world. But if your security guard lets people just walk through the gate by flashing a fake ID, then you have a staff training problem. And that's why your people are the biggest cybersecurity risk in your business. Countless studies show that human error is behind the vast majority of successful cyber attacks. If your team's trained in what to look for, the warning signs of a security breach, and what to do if they think an attack's happening, they become a security strength, not a weakness. For training to be effective, you need to cover 3 main areas. First, observe your people and look at your systems. Identify the biggest risks and knowledge gaps within your team, and then train on those areas. Second, make sure training is engaging. Some of your team might cringe at the thought of interactive quizzes or role play, but they work. When training's fun, people retain the information and are more likely to act on it. And third, do check the training has worked. Test your people with fake phishing attacks they're not expecting. Think of this like a fire drill. If people fall for a fake scam, there's still a risk to your security and may need more training. But if everyone spots it and reports it, then you'll know they'll slam the door in a real criminal's face. Great job! If you need help to implement a personalized training plan for your team, get in touch. We keep businesses safe from cyber attacks every day.